In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create UK Business Wise account as a non-UK resident. Before we begin, make sure you have the Wise app installed on your mobile device, a reliable internet connection, and access to a working email address and phone number that can receive verification codes. We won't share any personal details here, and you should only use your own information during setup. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone. On the home screen, look for the option to create a new account and tap register. You'll be asked for your email address. Enter an email you use regularly, since Wise will send a verification message to confirm it's really you. After submitting your email, head to your inbox, find the message from Wise, and click the confirm link. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure you type the address correctly. Then return to the Wise app and continue. Tap Next to move forward. When prompted to choose the type of account, select Business Account. This is important because a business account gives you features tailored for companies like receiving payments and paying suppliers. Choosing Personal by mistake could limit the tools you need later, so make sure it's set to Business. You'll now be asked to select your country or region. Use the search bar to find United Kingdom and select it. Even as a non-UK resident, you can set up a UK business profile within Wise. This sets your account to work with UK details where applicable. Keep in mind that Wise may later request information about your business and its operations to comply with regulations, so be prepared to provide accurate details when asked. Tap Continue to confirm your selection, and then tap Next to proceed. The app will now request your phone number. Enter a number you can access immediately, including the correct country code. Avoid numbers that can't receive SMS messages reliably. Double check for typos because you'll need to receive a code right away. When you're ready, tap Send Code. Wise will dispatch a verification code to your phone. If it doesn't arrive promptly, ensure your signal is strong, disable any SMS blockers, and confirm you entered the right number. You can request a new code after a short wait if needed. That's it for this stage. You've opened the app, registered, confirmed your email, selected a UK business account, and initiated phone verification. From here, you'll continue with the prompts in the app to complete your business setup.